Hello, hi. Okay, welcome back. We are now at part two of the blog and reflect learning journal. Okay, so as promised, we will go to my own blog and then we will do a bit of tutorial on how to create a blog. Okay, all right. So, okay, we just skip this one first and show. Okay, we go to our browser. All right, so as promised, we go to my blog. So you can type the URL or the blog address http colon backslash masturasport.blogspot.com, or you can just type the name of my blog. Let's view my blog. So it's either way. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we are here, right? All right, so these are the entries which I have posted earlier. Okay, you can see that entry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. And this is what I meant by the entry. Okay, this one is on the listening activities. Okay, before that, I would like to show you the categories which I have mentioned earlier, categories or levels. Okay, so this is since this blog have so many things in here, I've combined so many things in one blog, but just to make things easier for my viewers to read and to view, I have labeled them into different levels. Okay, and for our purpose today, we just focus on my student, the label on my students or students. Okay, so let's see, where's my student. Okay, here are my students, right? And another one is students. Okay, so you have so many things, so many other labels here. So if you have time, you can just browse through and have a look. Okay, so as for this time, we are going to look at students or my student, either one, because uh, the entries which I have posted earlier were all labeled under these two. Okay, so we just click my students. Okay, yeah, and then you can see the entries which I have labeled under my students, sometimes another achievement, and so on and so forth. Okay, all right. Okay, let's see. This is one of the entries which I have posted on the community service project video competition. Okay, so I asked them. I've pasted the pictures of the videos, and then so this is my instructions. Assalamualaikum everyone. I have randomly shared a few screenshots of your videos. In this entry, I would like to invite everyone to reflect and express yourselves on the progress of creating the videos, promoting them to get likes, comments, and shares for the viewers and readers. Share your feelings, hard work, and determinations, as well as the bonding that occurred during the process. I will be waiting to read. Okay, so let's see how many have responded. Okay, seems that 48, we have 48 comments here. All right, 48 comments. Let's have a look at what have they commented. Okay, just click at comments. Okay, all right. Say Aiman said, Salam everyone. Where is it? Oh, we have to scroll up. Okay, so we have 48 comments here. Okay, we just read one of them, one of the comments. Okay, okay, this is the shortest one, I think. Hi, Madam Mas. Created a video for me was the most fun part in the community service. It was because of we learned how to edit video and make it using our creativity and ideas. Okay, and this one is from Dalila. Assalamualaikum and hi. So for the video, honestly, I don't do it much because I'm not pro about the editing and making the video. All right, so you can see that they have written in their own language. Okay, but I did not penalize them. I just let them write. Okay, so they can just express themselves. Okay, pour out their feelings, pour out their what what they are thinking. Okay, so this is one way of getting them to express themselves in words, in sentences. Okay, right, you can see here. And if we have more comments, how do they do about it? Okay, so we just go to, okay, scroll down some more. Okay, they can just leave the comments here. All right, as you viewers, as you're watching my videos, you can go to my blog and write what your opinions of our session here, and what do you think about the project or the program that I have done with the student. Okay, and then uh, okay, choose an identity. Okay, this is my name, and you can write your names there, your names or URL, or you just want to put that as anonymous. And then please prove you are not a robot. I'm not a robot. Okay, click here, and then you can publish your comment. That's what they have done. Okay, so okay, let's go back to the main page. Okay, entry 3, editing, correcting, and updating. This one actually focusing on the report writing. Okay, and they're very happy when they have to, when I put upload the video, the videos, the pictures, and all that. And we have 47 comments. See, oral presentation. Okay, when they did the oral presentation, I always take pictures of them. We have 55 comments. Okay, all right. So okay, I would like to invite you to uh, join in the discussion. Just browse through my blog, okay, and then keep me happy with your comments, okay, and ideas on how to make it better. All right. So, okay, so now we are here at my blog already, and now we are, as promised, I'm going to show you a bit of tutorial on how to create a very simple blog. Okay, very simple blog. Okay, and then once you get a hang of it, okay, you can just beautify it, make it better, make it more creative, okay, based on your own creativity. Okay, now we go back to our browser, type blogger.com, okay, blogger.com, okay. Once you got it, you just sign in, click sign in. Okay, sign in. All right, now we are going to create a new blog. All right, so you just go to the arrow there. You have a drop down menu. Okay, don't just ignore this. Okay, we just scroll down and then you can see new blog. Click new blog. All right, and then you can see this interface. Now you are going to create a new blog. All right, so give a name to your blog. Right, so title, a name to your blog. Okay, let's put it like my learning journal. Okay, my learning journal. Okay, all right, you got it. And then you need to have an address um, for your blog. All right, so you just click there. It will come out like this. Let's see your luck. Okay, you're not. I'm not very lucky this time, right? Because this is normal. When you just click it and the what do you call that, a symbol come out, okay, this means that the blog address is invalid or not supported. All right, don't give up. Try and try and try. Sometimes you're very lucky, you just type once and you got it, but sometimes even 10 times or 12 times or so you won't get the valid address. Okay, just keep on trying. All right, so I just put it like learning journal. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try again. Okay, still not valid. Okay, so I just put it. Okay, picky 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, still picky. Okay, just add another one, 6. You just try it. Okay, all right. See, you keep on trying. Now you get the blue tick. Okay, means that this blog address is available. Okay. Okay, next step is for you to choose your theme. Okay, I will choose, right, for example, I will choose this one, a simple one. Okay, and then you go to create blog. It is creating now. Okay, successfully done. Okay, so now you are here at your own blog, but there are no posts yet. You haven't created any posts. Okay, so how do you do it? All right, you can always venture once you get your own blog. All right. Okay, so here post, there's no post yet. Okay, statistic is the statistic of those who have viewed, or those who have read your blog or your entries. Okay. Okay, so we are going to write a new post. So go to new post. Okay, new post. Okay, it's a bit slow now. All right, so you are here at your dashboard here. Okay, you can just write anything that you like to write. Okay, you can just try an arrow, and then you can delete, no problem with that. Okay, here your post must have a title. Okay, maybe you want to put trial one. Trial one. Okay, trial one. And then you can add pictures here, insert image. Okay, videos, or okay, special characters, and also some link if you want to. Okay, and okay, you just type like okay, today, sorry for my improper writing, because I'm holding a mic on using my left hand. Okay, today I am learning on how to write, learning on how to create a blog from measurements. Okay, all right, as simple as that. Okay, so don't worry if you got the spelling incorrect. Okay, just correct back. Okay, next you go to label. Just now I mentioned something about label, isn't it? So you just label it as, okay, for example, self. Okay, done. Okay, and then publish. Okay, all right. So let's look at and once it is published also, you can edit, you can just view, or you can always delete. All right, so let's look at what you have published just now. Okay, so this is your simple first entry. It looks like this. Okay, so don't worry, you can just always venture more once you got your time. Okay, and all right, I think that's all for now for this session, Blog and Reflect Part 2. I hope I have encouraged you to create your own blog and to venture more on it. Okay, so I'll be very happy to answer your question. If you have any question to ask, okay, just look at the video and you can share with your other friends and ask question on the Facebook. All right, so I think that's all for now. Okay, I'll be seeing you later in another video. Okay, so stay safe, stay at home. Okay, Assalamualaikum.